Businesses you can start with 1,000 in Zambia. What if I told you that 1,000 is enough to start a profitable business in Zambia? You don't have to wait until you are very rich. If you use your money wisely, 1,000 can be the beginning of your journey to financial freedom. Here are 10 businesses you can start with just 1,000 kwacha or less in Zambia. Number 1, fruit and vegetable trading. Buy fresh tomatoes, onions, cabbages, vegetables, bananas or oranges, apples from farmers or wholesale markets and sell them in busy neighborhoods. Fresh produce is always in demand. Number 2, popcorn business. Invest in popcorn kernels, cooking oil, packaging bags, and flavoring. Sell your popcorn at schools, bus stations, markets, or community events. Number 3, mobile phone accessories. Use your 1,000 kwacha to stock items like phones, chargers, earphones, USB cables, phone covers, and screen protectors. These products sell quickly because many people need replacement. Number 4, peanut butter business. Buy quality groundnuts, process them into peanut butter, package them attractively, and sell them to households, shops, and local markets. Number 5, second-hand clothes. Purchase a selection of second-hand clothes and resell them individually for a profit. Focus on clean, fashionable items that customers want. Number 6, laundry and ironing services. Laundry and ironing services. You may say, I don't have any money. Offer washing and ironing services in your community. Your biggest investment is your time and commitment to providing excellent service. Number 7, homemade snacks. Homemade snacks. Prepare samosas, fritters, buns, donuts, or meat pies and sell them at schools. Sell them in the offices, markets, or bus stations. Delicious food often brings repeat customers. Number 8, cleaning services. Buy basic cleaning supplies and offer home, office, or shop cleaning services. As your reputation grows, you can charge more and expand your businesses. Number 9, poultry business. Poultry business. Buy a small number of broiler chicks, feed, and basic equipment. With the proper care, you can grow your flock and increase your income over time. Number 10, content creation. Content creation. If you own a smartphone, start creating videos about business, education, farming, or daily life in Zambia. With consistency and valuable content, you can earn through advertising, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or by selling your own products and services online. The truth is, 1000 kwacha won't change your life unless you put it to work. The people who succeed aren't always the ones with the most money. They are the ones who take action. Which of these 10 businesses would you start with 1000 kwacha? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, like it, share it with someone who needs it, and follow for more. Follow for more business ideas that work in Zambia or in Africa or in the world. Thank you for watching.